how you will create modern mobile application using React Native and Expo CLI. So let's get started. So before telling you anything, I let me go through the tools that I'm going to use here. So first of all, I'm using React Native. Second, I am using Expo CLI. So what this Expo CLI is? Expo CLI is basically a wrapper around React Native. It helps your React Native code to uh, be much more useful and beginner friendly. It gives few more helps. So I will tell you. And there is one more application that is Expo Go. And in this presentation, I will be showing you two application on React Native, and the second application will use this Steps and GraphQL and Apollo client. So this is about the tools. And before let me just go to the React documentation first. And to show you like since Expo Go is a third party library, but let me show you over here in the React Native website only that Expo Go is actually recommended by React Native team also. So if you are a beginner here they are saying that if you are a beginner in mobile development, you should go with Expo Go. And if you have already worked with Android Studio or Xcode, and if you have built, if you are not new to a mobile development, then you could go with the React Native CLI only. So I will show you like what are the features that Expo will give you. So before moving there, this is my dashboard of Expo, and you can also create your account, and you will see a dashboard like this. And if you go to its documentation, you can go from here. Sorry. So over here you can find its documentation, and here, since it's a mobile development, and in mobile we have access of lot of hardwares in the mobile. It's like we can access camera, we can access microphone. So all those things like how to access camera, you can find in the API reference. Here we have this here if you see over here, like we have accelerometer hardware, we have lots of other hardware also. We have camera hardware. If I go to the camera hardware over here, you can see how you can write the codes for camera. First you have to import this Expo camera, and you can test this thing out in Snack. So Snack is a tool where you can test out your application before building it. And let me show you by going over here first. So that will be more clear. So here you can see this is the code, and here is the device. You can test out your application over here. You can run this thing on your device also. Like if you have your mobile phone with you, you can scan a QR code and run this whole thing on your mobile phone. Like this, you can scan this QR code. But for this, you have to download the Go application on Android or iOS. So this is, and if you want to showcase your thing, and you don't want someone to have it on their mobile, you can click over here and see your application. As of now, there must be more people using it right now. So we are in fifth in the queue. So now it is four. So soon we will be in the we can see this thing over here. But if you have some application that you have developed, by going to the Expo, you can deploy it in Expo uh, over here, and you can see it on Snack. So this is what I wanted to show you. Now, let me show you, let me move further, and let me show you my first application, that is food delivery application. I will show you, uh, I will share my mobile phone screen now. to give you a preview. But before that, let me start this on my. So you have to start this on your command line first. So this is your Expo application. So it uses React Native. Here you can see uh, it uses React Native library, and you can run this via Expo CLI. So let me run this application. So you can start your application by writing this Expo start, and it will give you a QR code. I'm running this thing. So in a few seconds, it will create a package, and it will give you a QR code. Now I'm sharing my mobile phone screen. So I think you can now see my mobile phone screen. Let me just check. Yeah, it is visible. So now I'm going to the Expo application. So this one is the Expo application. If you could see, just if you can't see, just tell me. So if I open this, here there's an option to scan a QR code. I'm scanning this one. So after scanning, it has opened uh, the application. And if you could see my laptop screen, you can see that React Native debugger is also running. I will explain you the use of this debugger in a few minutes. So this is the application. I guess you can see it now. So so this is the application, and here we can book some dishes to uh, we can. It is like a Zomato, and you can book you can order anything. Like you can order this thing, add this thing, and once you go to the basket, you can see the order total is coming up, and once you place your order, it will take the restaurant address and it will show it over here. Like this is the Katras Delicatessen. I don't know how to pronounce, but it has taken the restaurant address and showing it over here. So this map is coming from a React Native Maps library. So and if I go back and order something else, here we have, as of now, I have to remove this first, and then I can order something else and add to the basket. I can place this thing also. So now it is taking the second restaurant address. So this is all about the application demo.